Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, promote ko lang ang Libra bracelet na nag-align ng energies ng Libra. Meron tong Rhodonite, Blue Apatite, at Bloodstone. Available sa tatlong sizes. Ito yung small. Ayan, so available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see, Libra. What is your energy update? Second half ng October. Oh, Five of Pentacles. Challenges sa finances ninyo. Someone is feeling left in the cold. Pwede ring merong umiwan sa'yo sa ere. O, diba? Nakakapusang gala. Diba? Let's see. This is your, nako, yung challenge, o tumalon na siya agad. May cheater. Oo, Libra, ano to, merong nag-betray sa inyo. Some of you iniwan sa ere, hindi nyo ina-expect. Pwede itong sa relationship, romantic connection, pwede rin sa pera, sa negosyo, sa trabaho. So, yung iba, nahihirapan kayo ngayon sa finances ninyo. Or even sa trabaho ninyo. Ano yung opportunities for Libra? The Three of Wands. So, as an opportunity, maganda to kasi this is growth, no? I think, kung ano man tong challenges na meron kayo sa inyong finances or sa mga pinagkatiwalaan nyo na bigla kayong iniwan sa ere, meron kayong opportunity to go to a different direction. Okay? Lumayo, no? Mag-focus doon sa iba pang opportunity na nag-open up sa'yo. Okay? Let's see the blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Libra? Ano yung blessing ng mga Libra? Temperance. This is working things out. This is preparing for something. So, I think yung lessons na matututunan mo dito sa betrayal na to, ito yung magli-lead sa'yo ng magiging maingat ka next time. Oo. Kung sino yung pagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi eventually, magagawan mo naman yun ng paraan. Kailangan lang ng patience sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo lang makagawa ng paraan. This is also about healing. Okay? Let's clarify. What is the Five of Pentacles? Ano yung Five of Pentacles? Eight of Wands. Parang, biglaan. Oo, masyadong mabilis sa mga pangyayari. Unexpected. Oo. Yung iba, ginost. Some of you, merong nagpaasa sa inyo. Can be sa pera or sa commitment, tapos hindi tinupad. What is the Seven of Swords? The High Priestess. Oh, I feel like intention niya talaga to, kung sino man to. Tinago sa'yo for a long time. I think, alam mo na to kumbaga, naramdaman mo na kinutuban ka na, pero yung iba sa inyo parang, ano yun, hindi pinansin, oo, na someone is doing some magic, someone is doing, may kalokohan, ganon. May manipulation din dito. What is the Three of Wands? Three of Pentacles. Oh. I think you need to get out of this situation. Kasi may opportunities for you sa iba. Okay? Three of Pentacles as an opportunity. This is collaboration, working with other people, growing your business, growing your career elsewhere. Sa ibang lugar, sa ibang company, sa ibang sitwasyon. What is the Temperance? Seven of Wands. See, magiging maingat ka na talaga. Ang blessing sa'yo is yung lesson na natutunan mo. You already know how to take care of yourself. And how to protect yourself. So, I think yan yung isa sa bibigyan mo ng focus. Kung paano mo paprotektahan yung sarili mo. What else for Libra? Scorpio, investigate. Maaring meron kang aalamin, tutuklasin, kikilatisin. You're going to research on something, paano nakalusot sa'yo yan. Diba? Solar calm, clarify. Things are going to be clear sa'yo in the coming days. Parang merong katotohanan na mabubunyag. Solar flares, activate. I think itong lesson na matututunan mo, itong experience na to, itong pang-iiwan sa ere na to, this is going to make you realize na medyo kailangan mo nang mag-set ng boundaries para hindi ka na-take advantage ng iba. And you will also be focusing on your passion. What you really want to explore. Some of you nasa education industry or meron kayong opportunity na i-share yung knowledge, yung skills ninyo, yung experiences ninyo sa iba. Some of you are into media, nasa social media. Meron kang mga talents and skills na pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan, pwede mong i-monetize yan. Meron kang talents na pwede mong i-share sa mundo. Wherein, dun ka mas mag-grow. So, I think, there's a different world na i-explore mo sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Sa love, focusing on loving yourself, taking care of yourself. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong relationship na nagiging seryoso na. Oo. If you are connecting with someone right now, may improvement yung relationship. Nag-grow yung relationship ninyo. Kumbaga may upgrade, nag-evolve. Meron na siyang commitment. Yung iba naman, may proposal. Yung iba naman na single dito, focusing on yourself, taking care of yourself. Trust your faith, dive into the unfolding journey. What is your faith asking of you? Ayan. So, meron ka talagang journey. Iba sa inyo, spiritual awakening, spiritual journey. This is going to give you more opportunities para i-explore pa yung sarili nyo, mas makilala nyo yung sarili nyo, mas ma-discover nyo pa yung ibang abilities nyo, yung mga talento nyo na hindi nyo nagagawa kasi maaring hindi nyo yan nakikita dahil nasa isang sitwasyon kayo na maraming limitations. So, I think you are now breaking free and letting yourself discover more about you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, Mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.